This is Matt.
Arr.
So today he's helping me do a video on guys packing their carry-on for 2 weeks. Matt's not very happy with me today. He doesn't like to be on video. Are you happy with me today?
No.
I'm a mean wife. But hey, it's about time that a guy shows how a guy packs. Now Matt's a really basic kind of guy, and his pack is a really basic kind of pack. Matt, tell us about your pack.
Okay, so this is my pack. I have 4 polo shirts, 8 t-shirts, a couple of dressy casual shirts, 1 short sleeve, 1 long sleeve, my bathing suit, 2 pairs of shorts. Okay, this is my sleepwear, boxers, a couple of t-shirts, and lounging pants if I need them. Here's a pair of khakis, a pair of jeans in addition to the ones I'm going to be wearing on the plane. Here's 14 pairs of socks and underwear, a belt. Here's a sport jacket in case we go somewhere fancy and Perry wants me to look good. And here's a pair of flip-flops and a pair of nice shoes.
So what are we going to do next, Matt?
We're going to put all this in packing cubes, as Perry taught me.
He knows exactly what to say.
So I use a combination of flat packing and rolling for my packing cubes. These are flat packed because I don't want them to crease. So I have my polo shirts here, and I have my casual dressy shirts. So that's packing cube number 1. This packing cube is for my t-shirts. I roll my t-shirts. There's 4 in there, another 4. There we go. Tuck them in and zip them up. Packing cube number 2. Okay, this packing cube is for my underwear and socks. Underwear is rolled up, and the socks. I also have my t-shirts that I sleep in. So there's 2 of those. And also my boxers that I like to sleep in. And we are going to zip that up. And packing cube number 3. Okay, I have here a shoe bag, and I put in there my dress shoes and my flip-flops.
So what are you going to do next, Matt?
Pack my bag.
So Matt, what should people do if they have any questions about this video?
Leave it in the comments below.
What should people do if they like the video?
They should hit the like and subscribe buttons.
I taught him well. What you got there, Matt?
This is my hard shell carry-on bag.
So what do you have on that side of the bag?
On this side, I have the packing cube with my underwear. I have the packing cube with my t-shirts. I have my shoes. I wedged in my bathing suit here in that gap, and I have my belt.
So what do you have on the compression side of the bag?
On the compression side, I have the packing cube with my polo shirts and my casual dressy shirts. I have my lounging pants, my shorts, my jeans, and my khakis.
Do you need any more clothing than that for 2 weeks?
This will do me fine for 2 weeks.
And what happens when you have no more clothing?
I do a wash.
Hey Matt, what's that little dot I see on top of the bag?
Well, I always put an air tag in case my luggage gets gate checked.
Now Matt's going to show you a little handy dandy tip for you guys if you have a suit jacket to fold.
This is how I fold my sport jacket. I bring the 2 shoulders together, turn one inside out, line up the lapels, and fold it in half.
And what do you do with that jacket after you've folded it?
I pack it between the 2 sections of my luggage, like this.
Now that was easy. Now I noticed you only packed 1 pair of jeans. Is that all you're going to wear for 2 weeks?
No, I have the pair I'm wearing on the plane.
And Matt, I noticed you didn't pack a jacket.
I am bringing a jacket. I'm wearing it onto the plane.
And I noticed that you packed flip-flops and dress shoes, but what about these shoes for walking around?
Well, I have my sneakers that I'm also wearing on the plane.
Is that all you take onto the plane?
I also wear or bring a sweatshirt onto the plane in case it's cold, and I layer that over a t-shirt in case the plane gets warm.
Well, I guess he has everything covered. Now Matt's going to show you how he packs for an 8-day trip in just one backpack. Tell us what you're packing, Matt.
This time I'm packing for 8 days, so I'm going to pack a couple of polo shirts, 3 nice button-down casual dressy shirts. I have 6 t-shirts. I have sleep t-shirts. I have 2 pairs of shorts. I have a pair of boxers to sleep in. I have a bathing suit, 8 pairs of underwear and socks. I roll my underwear. A pair of extra jeans, in addition to the ones I'm wearing. A pair of casual dressy shoes for going out at night, so I'm not just wearing the sneakers. And a pair of flip-flops.
That looks like a good pack.
For this pack, I'm packing smaller, so I'm using compression cubes to save space. In this one, I have my polo shirts and my nice dressy casual shirts. In this one, I have all my t-shirts. In this packing cube, I have my underwear, my shorts, my swimsuit, and my boxers for sleeping in. Then I have an extra pair of jeans, my shoes, my dressy shoes, and my flip-flops, and also a small toiletry bag. Now I'm going to show you how I pack the backpack. I'm putting the shoes in here at the bottom, the compression cubes, shift them around a bit so they lay flat. Okay, then I have my flip-flops. They're small, so you can just wedge those in here. My jeans and the underwear and socks and everything. Okay, so that all goes in the main compartment. And my small toiletry bag, which I'm putting in front, so it's accessible for TSA. And I also have a very convenient pocket here for my passport.
Matt, aren't you going to take your computer with you?
No, I'm on vacation, but there is a computer compartment in the back in case I needed to bring it to do some work.
Imagine not taking your computer with you on vacation. But it does seem like Matt has everything under control, doesn't it? What happens if we decide to stay away a little longer?
I can always do laundry either in the hotel or at a laundromat.
Well, that makes sense. So Matt, what about all your personal items?
Watch this video here.